Hi kids, today we want to talk about grammar. I really like to write, so I need to have good grammar. Let's begin. Alright kids, let's study simple past. Okay kids, we are doing homework J. The W question for homework J, simple past, is where. Okay, where plus did plus subject plus verb. Look at the verb. We are not using verb plus ed, not in the question. Did tells us simple past. All right, again, where plus did plus subject plus verb plus object plus adverb plus person plus time. The answer for where is place. Now remember, we are going to answer in the simple past. So, subject plus past tense verb plus object plus adverb plus person plus place plus time. Remember, when you ask where, your answer is a place. Okay, let's do the exercises. Okay, kids, homework J. The question is where. The answer is place. All right, number 1, subject. The guys, they. Verb, to buy, bought. Object, lunch. Person, with me, with you. Place, in the cafeteria. Adverb, carefully. Time, last February. All right, take out your yellow. Let's color by yellow. By, we will use by in the question. By, color yellow. Take out your orange. Color bought. That's the answer. Bought. Bought. And in the question, did will tell us past tense. So color did. The object is pink, lunch. And this time I used a purple. I used a purple for the place in the cafeteria. So you can use a purple for place in the cafeteria. In the cafeteria. All right, let's begin. Question, where did the guys buy lunch carefully with me last February? Answer, they bought lunch carefully with you in the cafeteria last February. Okay, number 2. Subject, you, I. Verb, to respect, respected. Object, one's teachers. Take out your whiteout. Change that to teachers. Object, one's teachers. Person, with somebody's classmates. With them. Place, in PE class. Adverb, carefully. Time, last March. Okay, take out your yellow. Color respect. We will use respect in the question. Take out your orange. Respected. We will use respected in the answer. Take out your pink color. One's teachers. One's teachers. Take out your purple. Place in P class. That's the answer. Okay, we have possessive problems. Here, one's teachers, okay? Subject you, so they're your teachers with your classmates, right? You, with your teachers, with your classmates, right? Here we have I for the answer. So I, and the ones is going to be my. I, my teachers, okay? I, my teachers. Okay, let's begin. Where did you respect your teachers carefully with your classmates last March? Where did you respect your teachers carefully with your classmates last March? Answer: I respected my teachers carefully with them in PE class last March. I respected my teachers carefully with them in PE class last March. Okay, number 3. Subject: my pal's dad. He. Verb: to pass out. Passed out. Object: papers. Person: with the dudes. With them. Place: in Mandarin class. Adverb: carefully. Time: last April. Pass out, color yellow. We'll use that in the question. Passed out, color orange. We'll use that in the answer. Color papers, pink. Place: in the Mandarin class. That is the answer. Use your purple. In Mandarin class. That's the answer. All right, let's go. Where did my pal's dad pass out papers carefully with the dudes last April? Where did my pal's dad pass out papers carefully with the dudes last April? Answer: he passed out papers carefully with them in Mandarin class last April. He passed out papers carefully with them in Mandarin class last April. All right, number 4. Subject: your mate's mom. She. Verb: to see, saw. Object: the principal. Person: with you, with us. Place: in the principal's office. Adverb: carefully. Time: last May. Color C, yellow. We'll use this in the question. Color saw, orange. We'll use that in the answer. Color the principal, pink. This is the answer. Place: in the principal's office. That's the answer. All right. Where did your mate's mom see the principal carefully with you last May? Where did your mate's mom see the principal carefully with you last May? Answer: she saw the principal carefully with us in the principal's office last May. She saw the principal carefully with us in the principal's office last May. Okay, number 5. Subject, their AI robot, it. Verb, to get something from somebody. Got something from somebody. Object, permission. Person, from me, from you. Place, in somebody's reading circle. Adverb, carefully. Time, last June. All right, color yellow, get. We'll use get in the question. Color got, orange. We're going to use got in the answer. Permission, color pink. This is something is permission. Get permission, get something, get permission. Color something, pink, pink. All right, the answer, place in somebody's reading circle. Color purple. All right, now this possessive is very different. So here we have the AI robot, right? And then it says somebody's, but it's also with me. So the AI robot and me, or the AI robot and I. So that would be our reading circle. For the answer, we have it and you from you. So you and it. So it is your reading circle. Okay? But this is the answer. So we won't be using our. That's the answer. See, it's the answer. Okay, let's begin. Listen carefully. Number 5. Where did their AI robot get permission from me carefully last June? Again, where did their AI robot get permission from me carefully last June? Answer, it got permission from you carefully in your reading circle last June. Again, it got permission from you carefully in your reading circle last June. Okay, that's difficult. All right, number 6. Subject, you and Miss Lee, we. Verb, to review, reviewed. Object, one's notes. Person, with somebody's lab partners, with them. Place, in somebody's study group. Adverb, carefully. Time, last July. Okay, color review yellow. We are going to use this in the question. Color reviewed orange. That will be used in the answer. One's notes, color pink. Place, in somebody's study group. This is the answer. Okay, we have a possessive problem, right? So you and Miss Lee, and they are your notes, and with your lab partners, with your lab partners. Okay, when we answer we, they're our notes. We, they're our notes, with our lab partners, in our study group. So the subject is we, so our notes, our lab partners, our study group. All right, let's begin. Where did you and Miss Lee review your notes carefully with your lab partners last July? Where did you and Miss Lee review your notes carefully with your lab partners last July? Answer: we reviewed our notes carefully with them in our study group last July. We reviewed our notes carefully with them in our study group last July. All right, number 7. Subject: Mrs. Huang and I. You. Verb: to pay, paid. Object: attention. Person: with the dude's pal, with him. Place: in language arts class. Adverb: carefully. Time: last August. All right. Color: pay, yellow. That will be in the question. Color: paid, orange. That will be in the answer. Color: attention, pink. Color the answer: place, in language arts class, purple. All right, let's begin. Where did Mrs. Huang and I pay attention carefully with the dude's pal last August? Where did Mrs. Huang and I pay attention carefully with the dude's pal last August? Answer: you paid attention carefully with him in language arts class last August. Again, you paid attention carefully with him in language arts class last August. All right, number 8. Subject: you, we. Verb: to cooperate in, cooperated in. Object: designing a project. Person: with Mr. Tom's mate, with him. Place: at somebody's after-school class. Adverb: carefully. Time: last September. All right, color: yellow, cooperate in. We'll use that in the question. Color: cooperated in. Color: orange. That will be in the answer. Designing a project: pink. The answer: purple. Place: at somebody's after-school class. All right, here we have somebody's, so that's a problem. Okay, so it's going to be your after-school class. But this is the answer, so we don't care. But here is important. The answer is we, so it is our, at our after-school class. This one's important, our. Okay, let's go. Where did you cooperate in designing a project carefully with Mr. Tom's mate last September? Where did you cooperate in designing a project carefully with Mr. Tom's mate last September? Answer. We cooperated in designing a project carefully with him at our after-school class last September. We cooperated in designing a project carefully with him at our after-school class last September. All right, number 9. Subject, we, you. Verb, to make, made. Object, a science project, science projects. Person, with Ms. Liz's mate, with her. Place, in science lab. Adverb, carefully. Time, last October. Okay, color, make, yellow. That'll be used in the question. Made, orange. That will be in the answer. Science projects, pink. This is the answer. Place in science lab, color purple. All right, let's go. Where did we make science projects carefully with Ms. Liz's mate last October? Where did we make science projects carefully with Ms. Liz's mate last October? You made science projects carefully with her in science lab last October. You made science projects carefully with her in science lab last October. All right, number 10. Subject, I, you. Verb, to follow, followed. Object, the rules. Person, with somebody's teammates, with them. Place, in study hall. Adverb, carefully. Time, last November. Okay, color yellow, follow, follow, yellow. That will be used in the question. Followed, color orange. That will be used in the answer. The object, rules, the rules, color pink. All right, the answer is place in study hall. All right, we have a possessive problem. So here's I, the possessive is my. So with my teammates. All right, let's go. Where did I follow the rules carefully with my teammates last November? Again, where did I follow the rules carefully with my teammates last November? Answer, you followed the rules carefully with them in study hall last November. You followed the rules carefully with them in study hall last November. Okay, very good. Okay, kids, thank you for watching this video. Now I need you to do a big favor for me. I want you to like this video. And I want you to leave a comment for me. I want you to write, thank you, Mr. Radisha, and then leave your English name. Really appreciate it. Thanks.